can't be funny on command! I'm not like Comcast!
You can't pause it like DVR.
No! You don't have me for 24 hours! Just get me while I'm in the moment, okay? Get me when I'm in the zone.
Get in the zone.
I'm not in the zone.
Auto zone.
Video. I love you, Kyle.
I have to be in the zone. I can't just be
Ignore
funny.
the camera.
Huh?
That was
Okay.
the best thing I've heard all year.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll be in the bathroom. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I know, I'm still recording.
Yeah.
It's actually literally still recording.
Wow, you got that. That means
Yeah.
All up in the air.
That's sad. Like, look at this guy.
I can't sit on that because it hurts.
I'm scared.
My leg.
You're stealing my soul.
Stop.
Is anyone else gonna be funny?
Is anyone else going to be funny?
Then I got like this girly thing going on. That was
Yeah, I
kind of
started
weird.
like dresses
Yeah.
and skirts, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've never seen your legs.
Georgia?
There's a flower in my hair.
Think you're funny?
There's a crazy person behind you. It looks like he's standing there.
Ugly, crazy. I love it, behind you, Georgia. Are you calling her?